Hey everybody.
Hi, welcome back.
I'm Peter.
It's right here.
And this is Ordinary Adventures. Today we're going to try to crash the Millennium Falcon.
We're going to do it. We're going to attempt to get the worst score that we've ever gotten.
Yeah, we're going to try to crash into everything. We're going to try to shoot at nothing. We're going to see how much we can possibly owe Hondo at the end of this adventure. Come with us.
Good luck, my friends. Of course, with you.
Thank you.
This is Jennifer and Cameron, and they are helping us out. We met them in line. They actually watch our videos. And we have, of course, Lauren and Jeff.
Yeah, we needed 2 more people for this mission, and they were gracious enough to help us out. So thank you.
Yeah. Because if you're going to do this experiment, you can't do it on unwilling participants. You need people to help you out, and luckily we found the right crew for the job.
What is our mission, Captain Peter?
We're to crash into everything.
Perfect. I just left the cantina.
Pilots in first, gunners second, engineers
supervise
third.
younglings.
Work together, face forward, and may the force be with you.
Thank you.
You got it, right?
Right, engineer, repair tech. Hit your flashing button. You better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't press anything.
Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left.
All right, guys, get to crashing.
And then pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward. Weapons are online.
Oh no.
Pilot, hit the booster. Now let's go get that coax out. Right, pilot.
I think we
make
hit
it
like
up to light speed.
already.
Yeah, we're already at 7.
I know what you are.
There's the train. Now, Papa.
Crash
The
into
guys are
something.
protecting the train. Take them out.
Right now.
They've locked onto us. Take the deduction. Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. Gunners, blast away. Blast. Ah, there it is. After that train.
Oh no, things are really going wrong over here.
Don't do it!
Pilot brakes.
Don't hit the brakes!
Oh no!
Oh, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friend.
How did we get one?
Power up the ship.
Oh no.
Well,
Oh no.
grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now, let's get another container of coaxium.
We don't want it!
Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car.
Oh.
Get behind the train.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Engineers, hit your flashing button.
Don't do it! Don't hit anything!
Well, it's harder than it looks.
These buttons keep flashing. Oh no.
Things are getting too hot. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train.
Oh no!
Not gonna happen, Hondo! I didn't...
It's coming down.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Whoa!
Hit the booster.
Oh my gosh! You guys, this is really hard to film.
Out of it.
How are we not left field?
sail. Pilots, evasive maneuvers.
Oh my gosh, things are blowing up over here. Whoa. Oh.
We lead them back, they must find the resistance.
Oh my goodness.
13%! Watch out!
10!
Excellent job, excellent job.
We hit single digits!
Yes.
Yes, Julie will pilot us in. Remote. You retrieved one container of coaxium.
How did we get one container of coaxium?
You have heard the first order and made Julie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon.
Oh. I somehow got 32%.
I got 17% accuracy.
Oh, dang.
We did it, guys.
The collisions, though.
Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. R5, scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hull. Nothing, but keep looking. The last thing I want is to let another Ratha loose in here. I am not cleaning that up. Did you hear that? It's right over my cockpit. What is it? With tentacles. I hate tentacles. How many tentacles? Well, I'm not opening these doors until you get rid of them. It will be dangerous for the... All right, I am making an executive decision.
How bad will we do?
Well, the thing's spitting and sparking at me. Look at it. Look down that hallway, you'll see.
Oh my god. This did not go well, guys. Oh.
Here,
What?
we broke the monitor!
We did.
We were 9% shields.
I somehow got 32% as an engineer and I didn't touch anything.
And also this, back me up. It's hard to hit stuff. Like, it's like, you have to really work. It's almost just hard to not hit
In
stuff.
certain directions to like not hit stuff all the time.
I don't know if you noticed, but on the pilot's video screen, we were doing so poorly that Chewie popped up on there, and he looked very distressed. He was putting his head in his paws or his hands, whatever he's got. But yeah, he was definitely not happy with the damage the Falcon took.
I've ridden this ride like 10 times now, and I think this was like the funnest time. I think if you want to go on this ride and have like a blast, try hitting and try wrecking the Falcon.
Yeah, and try being the one videotaping it. Like, I was literally like this the whole time.
Yeah.
And I was staring at the screen too, so I was like, okay.
I think we owed Hondo almost like 2,000 credits by
Almost
then.
3,000 credits.
Almost 3,000 credits.
You lose all the credits that you have in your data pad. I don't know if there's a ceiling you have to hit and then lose, but if you lose all your credits, you unlock an achievement of being bankrupt. And after that flight, I think we're pretty close to being there.
Yeah. Anyways, if you like our videos, please subscribe for more. Give this video a thumbs up.
Thanks so much for watching.
We'll see you next
Thanks
time.
so much for participating, guys.